Good evening, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. It is Thursday, February the 16th. It's good to be back on YouTube again after almost a month of being absent. And as I explained in the previous video, that I've just been very busy. A lot's been going on, and I've been having a lot of issues with my internet. Internet here's been kind of crazy here lately. But now I am filming with a new phone, so new picture, new sound. So hopefully things should be a little bit better from here on out. So this is a 1960s Hunter 20-inch box fan that I received just yesterday. This was another free score, and I don't think that I have had any recollection of any family history of these, and I've seen many of them on the internet, particularly on fan groups and whatnot. But this is the first time me ever seeing one up close and even owning one. So I am very happy with this. The fan looks to be in decent shape. Just shows typical signs of age, use, and wear. I have the fan to where it's easier to see everything because the lighting really isn't all that great in here. But anyway, the fan appears to be a grayish blue color, and everything to it is pretty much original except for the carrying handle here. That looks like it was replaced with an old strap there. And this, I do believe, is what would be the switch. I don't know if it was a push button or if it was a rotary switch. But this is going to be a plug-in kind of demonstration. But I am going to get that replaced in due time. This is the badge here, and it's basically just printed into the casing. It was manufactured by the Hunter Division, Robbers and Myers Incorporated, in Memphis, Tennessee. The model number is an FZ-20, FZ-2064, and this is a 2.1 amp, 115 volt, and 60 cycle AC rated motor, and it was made by Zephair. I don't know much about these fans, so since I have seen more of these being popular among vintage fan collectors. Hopefully, some of you could give me some information about these. I've seen these branded in Westinghouse and Montgomery Ward and a few others. I'm pretty sure that this is probably more on the uncommon side because I've never seen one that didn't have the badge, and most of them I've even seen with the shroud that goes around it, and even some of them were mounted on a stand. I don't see any holes there on the side, so I don't think that this ever came on the stand in its lifetime. There is the Hunter motor back there. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it around and have a look at the back. Okay, so here's the inside of the motor. It doesn't look the greatest, but you do see some of the copper winding there, so hopefully that could just be the accumulation of the dirt and dust. This is a 6 shaded pole motor too, by the way. So I think this is a good, healthy motor. Just could use a good cleaning and service. It's a pretty good sized motor too. These are not as efficient as the Westinghouse or the GE motors, but I could promise you, it's a very powerful motor. This is the power cord, and this looks like one of the definitely one of the older style plugs, the lamp-like cord, and the insulation is not cracked or frayed anywhere. None of the copper's exposed. The prongs are not corroded or anything like that. But since this may be getting a restoration, more than likely I may be replacing this. The core comes from the back, and luckily it's not running in through the grill here, so I won't have to change that. The fan, other than that, is in decent shape. The guards are kind of pushed in. They're not screwed in, so hopefully getting the fan popped open shouldn't be too hard of a job. Has some rust here on the bottom. More or less, it just looks like surface rust. But I am very happy with this. First time me ever owning one of these fans, and from what others have told me, that they're nice, efficient fans. They run good, they last a long time, and I think that this is going to be another good fan to my collection. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and I'll give a demonstration on this. And like I said, this is just going to be a plug-in, and so it's just going to be a plug-in and turn it off, because like I said, the switch is kind of messed up on it. I'm absolutely certain that this is a 2-speed fan too. At least I think so. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and we'll see it in action. Came up to speed there pretty good. Has a really cool startup sound to it. It's very quiet. Has a decent amount of airflow on it. Fan is a little unbalanced. Hopefully this shouldn't be too hard to get back in balance. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it off now. I don't want to run it too much because I don't want to wreck the bearings. spin down really isn't too bad. It's still going to require a good clean and service though. But other than that, I'm overall impressed with this fan. I think this is going to turn out to be a really good restoration. It'll be a tricky one, but I think it'll all come in full circle. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna capture a startup sound on this. This has a really cool startup sound on it. Okay, not bad. I am I'm very impressed with the performance of this fan. Looks to be like a decent runner. It runs good. It looks to be in really good shape. It's just gonna take a little work to it. I'm not exactly sure when, but maybe either I'll just do a clean and service on it for now, or I'm just gonna store it away somewhere until the time will be right to where I'll be getting around to restoring it. Well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video of my brand new fan acquisition. Post and likes, comment, subscribe, and I hope that you all have enjoyed. You all have a good one, and bye bye.